Of all the unusual animal species that inhabit the Galapagos Islands, the one I most looked forward to documenting was the marine iguana. These fascinating reptiles are the only saltwater lizards in the world and are endemic to the archipelago. Witnessing their behavior firsthand in Gardner Bay was a real privilege. It's a simple life here on the rocks. Warming in the morning sun, they barely open an eye to acknowledge my presence. As the sun's midday heat warms their cold-blooded bodies, they slowly peel off the dry rocks and wander towards the shoreline to graze. I wanted to capture their unique feeding behavior, but it was challenging to get close enough, as they usually chomp on the seaweed that grows beneath the waves. Unlike the iguanas, I don't have claws to help me grip. Barefoot, wading through the rock pools with my camera almost submerged, I risked it all. But capturing images of these extraordinary vegetarians was well worth the effort.